Welcome back to a new video friends. Today we are going to talk about how to on backup my data in Redmi 10 phone guys. How can you on your backup data guys? So today I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all guys, please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, and do you like my videos, so please like and share. So now let's start video file. First of all, open your setting app, click on about phone. So guys, you can see backup and restore, so I click on backup, and guys backup my data, click here. Guys, you can say turn on backup. So guys, you want to on, then on, and guys you can see your backup my data has on. So I think guys you have understood how to on backup my data in Redmi 10 phone. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.